My name is Bob Beckmann. I'm President and CEO of Beckmann Technologies and BlueLink Diagnostic Solutions here in Durham, North Carolina. Beckmann Technologies repairs, remanufactures electronic components for Mercedes-Benz automobiles. BlueLink provides remote connectivity solutions, group collaborative solutions to bring efficiencies back into the service bay. It allows a solution to a particular problem to be solved one time in one service facility, which may take quite a few hours. But once that is solved the first time, that information is shared with all the other technicians in the network.
We're a very small operation. However, we have enterprise type needs because of the amount of data that we're having to process and deal with.
One of the great things about BlueLink is the scalability. As we add different manufacturer lines, more of these experts, we have to be able to quickly scale. And in order to do that, we need a combination of local storage, local processing, and cloud-based services.
The System X 3630 M3 was able to give us all the things that we needed in one single unit. It uniquely had an enormous amount of storage, the ability to have an enormous amount of RAM, and an enormous amount of processing power. It has the Intel Xeon 5600 series of processors. We went from 25 Dell 1U servers down to the one single 3630 2U server, and that server has magnitudes more processing power and disk space.
The IBM System X 3630 M3, it puts that power back in our hands. By storing all of our database info and quickly building all versions of our releases, it increases the speed at we work, but more importantly, it gives an improvement to the quality of the software that we're writing.
When I use the IBM System X 3630 M3 server, I know I can access it, I know it's very quick, and I know I can depend on it.
I found it to be one of the easiest systems to deploy. Getting it live and up running was probably the shortest amount of time that I've ever taken to get a new server online and ready to go. That was largely in part due to the IBM tools and IBM System Director.
It just fits well. The scalability is there. The IBM 3630 server that we have, there's plenty of room to grow, there's plenty of space for additional storage. That should last us foreseeable future. The parts that we remanufacture are very high line, an automobile that goes through rigorous testing, quality control process, second to none worldwide. We have to use those same type of products, and IBM brings us those products here for our use.